probably the most surprising thing is how many people come into the firm and they bring along a checkbook. Well, I had these strippers the other day.
Yeah.
They had that Fair Labor Standards Act case.
Yes, the stripper minimum wage case.
Yeah, but they came and they brought a checkbook. They wanted to know how much to pay.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't pay in cash?
And no,
I think it would come right out of their shoestring.
Nope, they did not pay in cash.
Oh.
And I guess it was Mark or somebody explained to them that we work on contingency.
Yeah.
Yeah, the idea of contingency is kind of a new one, I guess, to some people.
Well, contingency is when we get paid based on what we recover for the clients. And it's we get paid for success, and if we don't succeed, the client doesn't have to pay anything. So there's a lot of risk in that for us. It reduces the risk to the client because if they don't win their case, they don't have to pay anything. And most people don't want to pay lawyers out of pocket because it's so expensive.
Oh, yeah. Hourly, it can cost thousands and thousands up front.
Tens of thousands.
Exactly. So contingency fees help make us affordable to people who might have a case.
In most countries in the world, only rich people get lawyers. So the one great democratizing factor in the United States about our system is poor people can get lawyers because of contingency fees. Mm-hmm. That's why we have so many lawyers here in the United States. In Germany or France or wherever else, they're going to charge you up front a hefty retainer and then a large hourly rate.
Right. So they're prohibitively expensive.
The theory behind that is that lawyer contingency fees promote litigation. There's more litigation in a society where people have to pay, they can get a lawyer without paying up front.
Right.
So if you want to discourage litigation, you make people pay up front. So as a result, the United States is also the most litigious country in the world. We have the most lawsuits here. We have the most cases. That's why we also have the best safety in the world, because when you hold people accountable for things that cause injuries and deaths, they fix it.
When you think about people who would not have brought their cases, some of them are good cases, but the lawyers, we screen the cases. So if they're not good cases, or they don't have much of a chance of recovering, anything, we don't take them. So, that argument that they're making more lawsuits out of nothing, well, maybe they're making more legitimate lawsuits out of nothing.
That's what they are making, because lawyers who take bad cases on contingency fees go out of business.
Right.
They're broke.
Right, because they're spending all the money up front to get experts or whatever they need, and they're not getting it back, right? So
any case you take where you don't get paid teaches you a severe lesson.
That's right.
You don't bring that kind of case again. If you bring enough of those, you'll have to change professions, because you won't be able to feed yourself.